In the quiet corners of our villages, brilliance waits to be awakened. For too long, talent in rural India has been held back, not by lack of dreams, but by lack of access. Learn to Lead is a movement to bring 21st century education to the heart of rural India, using the power of technology, gamification, storytelling, and research. At the heart of Learn to Lead lies Medha Vatika, a digital garden of intellect, where young minds blossom through hands-on digital learning. In Medha Vatika, students will perform realistic science experiments without fear or risk, solve math problems through play and logic, dive into story-driven learning experiences that spark imagination, engage in local language content that feels relatable and real, connect with knowledge beyond the classroom. From shy learners to confident explorers, from chalk and talk to click and create. Medha Vatika is not just a lab, it's a launchpad for dreams. Behind this movement stands a passionate and visionary team. Dr. Ketki Kalele, PhD scholar in oral and maxillofacial pathology and MDS, an educationist and innovator, shaping learning into meaningful experiences. Rahul Chute, founder of Denovate Technologies and Mathastic, a technology expert, building immersive environments and gamified solutions with AR, VR, and AI. Reena Vadai, Master in Technology in Environment and MBA in Finance, an environmental and policy expert, bringing sustainability and inclusiveness into education. Their collective passion and purpose drive Learn to Lead from vision to action. Join us in empowering the next generation of rural leaders through technology, through curiosity, through belief. Because when we learn to lead, we lead to transform.